Have you ever been to Mexico? Like when you walk up to these carts, automatically you smell the aroma of the carne asada and you see them. I mean, this is what you hear. And then people, you know, hustling and bustling, and I fell in love with that. I wanted to share that with people here in Sacramento. Here's a cheese quesadilla, up. I first started catering in people's backyards after my father passed away with plans to build enough capital to open up a tortilla factory. Little did I know that 10 years later, here we are. I didn't even know that we were gonna get to open up a restaurant, but you know, I did what my dad taught me. You know, you put your name behind something, work hard, do the best you can, and make sure that you provide the best service possible. I have brick and mortar and food trucks, so I appreciate both sides of the businesses. And to see the type of people that follow us, it's pretty awesome, man. I mean, just a minute ago, there was some folks that came out and wanted to take a picture with me, and they see the truck and they get jazzed, which is really cool. We have about 180 employees, and the fact that we can help the economy and have an impact that who would have thought, that to me is rewarding. So, Ria, another thing when you're making the quesadillas, it needs to be nice and golden. Golden, just like us. All right, let's step it up, guys. I'm gonna need un burrito chicken, un burrito asada, un burrito adobada, pa. We're here for our guests. We're here for them. They put food on our table, right? And so we need to make sure that we respect that. I wanted to create my way of partying, right, with the people of Sacramento and people who come visit Sacramento.